Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to revamp this bed for usage next year. What we're going to do is to put in some kitchen scraps so that the bed can be well prepared for next year planting. And what we have some eggshells, some banana peels, planting peels, pulp from our green juice, and we have some eggshells, some egg yolks. um, Joanna Joy doesn't like egg yolks, so we have to pull egg yolks from the boiled eggs. So we're gonna use that as well. And we have some vegetable scraps in there as well. Continue to watch to see what will be happening. All right, the banana peel and the plantain peel contains potassium, so that is good for the plants in terms of fruiting and for their blossoms. In terms of the eggshells, it will add new calcium, and also the egg yolks will also add calcium. And the plants need calcium because it will prevent the fruits from getting blossom and rot, especially fruits like tomatoes and sweet peppers. Vegetable matter will add a bit of vitamin A and also vitamin C to the plants to promote healthy growth. As I said before, this bed will be used next year, so this will have ample time to break down. And of course, this bed will be covered with some um, container covers, so as to prevent the critters from getting into it. I will put some soil over this bed, and there's a bit of fish bone here, just a little bit, nothing too much, not a lot. So I'm adding soil on top of the kitchen scraps. I'm going to add some container covers on top. And also some plain, what do you call these? The trash bubble filter. Waste, like the toppings and some dry cane. I'm going to put a net over this as well for added protection. So this is one bed that we're going to do for today, and some other time we do the other beds. Okay, there you have it, guys. Instead of putting your kitchen scraps to the in the landfill, you can add it to your garden if you have one. And so by next year, we'll be planting some stuff in this garden and hoping for the best. Thank you for joining us today. We see you in the next one. Bye bye. And remember to start a garden one container at a time.